Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
He came out in the middle of the street and he pulled out a gun.
What side of the street is he in?
Coming down Blackstone, he's on the right-hand side by the old Payless and the Foster Springs.
Call on Tuesday, June 9th, 2020, 12:29 and 9 seconds a.m.
Hello, 911, what's your emergency? HP transferring, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, I got a Hispanic male on Barstow just west of Blackstone. I was driving down Barstow, and he rode his bike right out into the middle of my lane, and I swerved and missed. He dropped his bike and got off and pointed what I swear to God looks like a handgun at me, and he ran after me as I slowed down. I'm stopped at the light at Barstow. I can still see him in my mirror about 300 yards west of Blackstone. He's a Hispanic male, no shirt, tan shorts. He's on a bicycle. Looks like he just went back. When I swerved, he rode his bike into my lane right at me, and when I swerved to miss him, but he got off his bike, and I swear it looked like he pointed a handgun right at me as my passenger window. I'm in a silver Chevy Silverado. He's at the Elegant Furniture business. He's in the parking lot.
Okay, hold on.
He's on a bike, like a beach cruiser type bike. Now he's yelling at other cars. I can see him as they pass by. He's
Units on the Barstow Blackstone call RP2 saying he's in front of the AutoZone now. RP advice Toronto's hazard.
Fort George 31. Show me hands! I have eyes on him. He's going eastbound on Barstow, line of fire to the east. He does have a handgun on in his right hand.
Copy, line of fire, channel volume T.
Fort George, he's walking away eastbound on Barstow, not listening to commands. Stop!
Copy. Fort George location.
Barstow, east of Blackstone. I'm following my car. He's walking away.
Copy, Barstow, east of Blackstone, eastbound still.
Hello, 41 will arrive at the Avery. Give me some updates.
Fort George 31 location.
Unit going westbound on Barstow. He's gonna. You'll see him soon. He is walking eastbound on his bike.
Fort George, confirming eastbound Barstow still on bike?
Affirm. He is going southbound across Barstow now.
Copy.
Edward 41, do we have a...
Let's check.
Fort George, shots fired.
Fort Georgia, copy, shots fired. Confirm location.
Barstow, Diana.
Copy, Barstow, Diana, shots fired.
406 direction.
On the ground.